So yesterday I watched this. It's a video made by the YouTube channel JLaservideo where he makes a Captain America shield that can actually bounce off of walls and come back to you nearly perfectly. Now, I saw that and I thought, wow, that's really cool. I want one. The thing is, I don't know where to get fiberglass, so instead I'm gonna make it using entirely different materials and far smaller. So something he makes as one of his prototypes before making the actual shield itself is this little disc that I don't remember what it's called. It's called something like what is it called? The spring ring. Now what the spring ring is, it's a little fiberglass ring that has a plastic garbage bag stretched over the top to make it so that it can fly. I want to make one, because it's far easier than making an actual shield. So I'm going to try to replicate that and maybe put a little bit on top to make it look like a Captain America shield. You know, sort of similar to a smaller version of the big one he made, but I don't know about that. I might, maybe, yeah, I don't know. So the first step was to 3D model it, which you should be seeing a time-lapse of that right now. It looks like it sped up a ton and it took so long. No, it actually took like 6 minutes. And then I had to 3D print it, which took a bit longer. That was supposed to be a 9-minute thing, but I tried printing that. As you can see, it started to fail. I messed around with the 3D printer a little bit. Wow, look at that. I am so bad at 3D printing. Please don't judge me in the comments. So finally I decided to try printing it again with a little raft to make it stick to the bottom better, but oh, whoopsie, that didn't work at all. Maybe it's because I decided to make it 1 millimeter in height and thickness, which is a very, very bad idea. Do you know how small a millimeter is? That's like, it's smaller than, it's such a small. So I decided to make it bigger. 4 millimeters in height, 4 millimeters in thickness. Here's the video of that 3D printing right now. Oh, wait. Oh, there is no video. Because that would have taken like an hour, and I didn't want to use that much of my phone's storage. And also, it's just the exact same thing over and over. It's just the 3D printer going faster, except taking much longer. So instead, here it is! Why is there already a bag on it? Because I forgot I was making a video out of it, and I just cut the bag and taped it on. I also colored it red with a Sharpie. So now, I think it's time to test it. I've never actually tested this before, so I'm gonna try it now. I'd say that works. I'm now back. It has been multiple days. It has been at least 5 days since I recorded the last part. Why have I waited so long? I don't know. So, now that we have the actual ring itself, I think it's time we make the shield. So, we'll just load up Cura and we'll see how long that will take to print. So it looks like I'm not going to be doing that. As a result, I've decided to leave the spring ring work to JLaservideo. Anyway, that's all for this video. I know it's kind of different from my normal style, but what are you gonna do? It's my channel.
More life of my Jake shit, and I'm getting tired of all the same shit. I wanna see my family, wanna see my friends, have been slept on like my name says.
I know this is a sort of style you guys aren't exactly used to me doing for my videos, but I thought it was kind of fun, so I decided to try it. It's very obvious that I was trying to emulate the style of Michael Reeves. I think I did a pretty decent job at that. I know this video wasn't the best, but it's kind of just one that I improvised and threw together. And also, I got a haircut in the middle of it. So because of that, and me not liking that haircut, I decided to wait until my hair was a bit longer again before continuing the video. So it's been, I don't even know how long, because I started making the video I think like 3 days after JLaservideo released his video. So it's been a while. Yeah, I want to do more videos like this in the future. Hopefully doing more. I want to do some actual, you know, programming oriented stuff sort of similar to what Michael Reeves and William Osmond do. Maybe I'll try doing some cool stuff like a not as good hacksmith. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry it was kind of bad. And yeah. Later. This video is just so inconsistent.